Hi, good evening everyone. This is Bala. So nice meeting you again in this tutorial. So what we have discussed in our last session is nothing but generating a square wave. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to generate an triangular wave. So before that, again we have to go for our program. We have to create a new name as triangular wave.c, right? So then you type your program, save your program. Okay, now we have to look over the concept, right? Before going to our project, we have to know what aspect we are going to do in our project. So in my current project, what I am going to do is I am going to generate a triangular wave. So before going to a triangular wave, first we have to look out how a triangular wave will be. Okay, so it will be of this kind. It will be having an highermost value and an lowermost value. So I am going to consider two things. One will be increasing from 0 to the highermost value, and another will be goes on decreasing from a highermost value to an lowermost value. When this low to high and high to low combined each other, then it becomes an triangular wave. Okay, so based upon this concept, I am going to write my program. So my initial value should be 0 and my highermost value will be the highest peak value, will be the maximum value, that is nothing but 3.3 volt. So my second session will be from 3.3 volt to 0. This is be my second session. So my program is divided into 2 sessions. So again you go to your project. Now see your project, right? So unsigned, this is nothing but an integer which I have been assigned here. You don't want to put value is equal to 0, no problem at all. Okay, unsigned integer I. Okay, because the I you are going to use in your loops, so I have been mentioned there. Okay, then I have to open my program in mine, and I have been selected my pin as 00008000, and it is nothing but my pin select 1. This we have discussed in our last session, so again I will be repeating here. So my pin select 1 is value is 0, starting from 0 to 0, except my fourth pin is 8. So go to your program. This is my pin select scenario. Starting from 0000, my fourth pin is 8 and all other pins remains 0. Okay, so 00008000. You can check with your program. 00008000. Okay, so as far as this concerned, all the values will be here 0 and all the values here will be 0 except this one, that is nothing but 1 0 0 0. What does a pin select 1 does is nothing but it will be having, it has to be selected based upon these two pins 19 and 18, what operation it should do. Okay, so again we have to go for our thing, that is nothing but my pin select table. As far as my pin select table is concerned, we have to configure my 19th pin and 18th pin. You can check here, right? My 19th pin and 18th pin alone, and 17 16 another combination, 20 21 as another combination, 20 23 as another combination. Right away I am going to compare only my 19th and 18th pin, because my 19th and 18th pin alone will define my out, that is digital to analog converted output. Okay, so my 19th and 18th pin, when it is both are 0, then will be acting as an GPIO port, that is nothing but 0.25. If it is 0, that is 19th pin as 0 and 18th pin as 1, it will be acting as an analog to digital pin 0.4. If it is 1.0, then that is 19th pin as 1 and 18th pin as 0, it will be acting as an analog out DAC. So my concept, according to my concept, my 19th pin is 1 and 18th pin is 0. So what is this? It will be acting, that is 10 will be acting as an A out. Okay, fine. So I have configured my pin here. So after that, what I have to do is, when my controller is on true condition, these lines will be executed, As far as my program is concerned, I have divided into two conditions, starting from 0 to the highest voltage level, that is nothing but 3.3 volt, and from 3.3 volt to 0. So first thing is, for I is equal to 0 to 1023, I already say you the formula, that is nothing but A out, analog out is nothing but value by 1024 into V reference. This 1024 is nothing but it is a 10-bit ADC, so 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. So again you have to go for your calculator and you should check. My first value is 0, okay, divided by 1024, 0 by anything will be 0, into thing will be 0. So initially that will be 0. If my maximum value, as per your program, your maximum value is 1023, that is as it starts from 0, it goes till 1023. If it starts from 1, then it will go till 1024. So the highest value is 1023, okay. So 1023 divided by 1023, because both are same. Sorry, the value 0 to 1023 has 1024 value, so 1024 divided by 1024 equal to 1 into 3.3, that is nothing but I will be getting my output value as 3.3, okay. So what is this maximum value is 3.3. so this value will be goes on incrementing until this condition is satisfied. Once this value, that is low to high, is completed, again my second operation is it should move from high to low. So I have written another for loop where 1023 to till 0. So again this value will be pushed up, so I will be getting a high value, then the high to low value, then high low, there will be goes on consecutively executing, okay. So add your file, that is nothing but triangular wave.c, add your program, just simulate that. If you get 0 errors and 0 warnings, it's okay. Then go for your debugging mode. If you have this window, then no problem. If you don't have, just click your logic analyzer. So after that, click setup. As I already said, I have to add my A out, analog out pin, okay. Add that pin, click close, save your program, then run. See, stop the program. Now I think you may get your output here, okay. Just you can in your program and you can check the middlemost value, that is nothing but 2.9355, that is nothing but 2.939355 is nothing but 3.293, that is nothing but 3.3 volts, okay. And my lowermost value is nothing but here, it will be around 0, okay. So these are the two conditions where we have executed.